Today, the secret to the perfect boiled egg. So guys, let's do it. Today I'm going to be showing you 3 levels to perfectly boiled eggs. We're going to be doing hard boiled, medium, where the yolks are nice and jammy, and of course, perfectly runny boiled eggs. So the first tip I'm going to give you, make sure you use really good quality, fresh, room temperature eggs. So don't pop them in the fridge. If they are in the fridge, get those out and just let them sit for a couple of hours until they come up to room temperature. And from there, all we need is a saucepan, fill it with water, and the next trick, you want to add a good pinch of salt to the water. This helps to balance out the pressure and will help to avoid the eggs from cracking. So you want to take a ladle, and the next important tip I'm going to give you to stop the eggs cracking, you want to pop the egg into the ladle and gently introduce the heat. So gently dunk the egg into the water, move it around in the water for a second, and after 5 to 10 seconds, gently lay it into the pan. Be careful not to let it hit the bottom of the pan. Soon as it's in, start your timer, and for a perfectly hard boiled egg that's not horrible and dry, we're going for 9.5 minutes. So let that boil away. Soon as the time hits 9.5 minutes, turn off the heat and then get the egg out. And a great tip for removing the eggshells, you want to plunge the egg in some iced water. Once you've removed the shell, cut open the egg, and as you can see, perfectly hard boiled, but it's not overdone. It's not going to be all dry and horrible. And next, our medium cooked egg. So exactly the same. For a few moments, gently introduce some heat, drop in the egg, start your timer, and for this one, we're going for 6 minutes and 45 seconds. Soon as that time hits, turn off the heat, remove the egg, get it peeled, and then as you can see, we've got a beautiful jammy yolk. Not overdone, not underdone, just perfection. And lastly, the holy grail, the soft boiled egg. And so, exactly the same again guys, gently introduce the heat, very gently lay it in the water, and we want to boil this one for 4 minutes and 45 seconds. Soon as they're done, turn off the heat, remove the egg from the water, and then as you can see, the most perfectly runny yolk. None of the yolk is set, but the whites have beautifully cooked through. This is true perfection. And of course, there's only one way to serve a perfectly cooked, soft-boiled egg, and that is with some toast soldiers. So follow these steps and times for perfectly boiled eggs, and you'll never go wrong.